Next example, if x changes from 2 to 2.05 and y changes from 3 to 2.96, compare the values of delta z and dz for z is equal to x square plus 3xy minus y square. First, here given is z is x square plus 3xy minus y square. Then value of x changes from 2 to 2.05. That means here given x is equal to 2, this is the value of 2, and x plus delta x or you can write here dx also. In place of delta x you can write dx also. We will write here x plus dx is equal to 2.05. Using both this quantity we will get dx is equal to find dx we have to subtract x plus dx, x from x plus dx. That means x plus dx minus x we will get value of dx. 2.05 minus 2 will be 0.05. Also here y is equal to, y changes from 3 to 2.96. That means y is 3 and y plus dy is 2.96. This implies dy is equal to y plus dy minus y will be dy. 2.96 minus 3 will be negative 0.04. This is the value of dy. Next, this is what we have given. Now we proceed and compare the values of delta z and dz. First we find out dz. Now dz. What is dz? dz is deva z by deva x dx plus deva z by deva y dy. Now we differentiate z with respect to x. This is the previous example which we have already completed. So now I will write down directly. Derivative of x square is twice x, derivative of 3xy is 3y, derivative of y square will be 0. Next, deva z by deva y. With respect to y, derivative of x square is 0. Here 3x minus 2y into dy. Now we put here values of x, y, dx and dy. These values put here. 2 into value of x is 2 plus 3 into value of y is 3 into dx. Value of dx is into 0.05 plus next 3 into value of x 2 minus 2 into value of y 3, value of dy negative 0.04. Now we calculate this. 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 into 0.05 will be 0.65, and this value 3 into 2 6 minus 2 into 3 6, 6 minus 6 0. This product will be 0. So now value of dz is 0.65. Now we calculate capital delta z. What is the capital delta z? We have already discussed in this definition of differentiable function. Delta z will be f of 2.05 2.96. Instead of this we will use this notation. Delta z is equal to f of x plus delta x, y plus delta y minus f of xy. Now here x plus delta x is the x plus dx, which is 2.05. Next y plus delta y, y plus dy is 2.96 minus f of xy is f of 2, 3. Now we find value of f at 2.05, 2.96 and then f of 2, 3. We will make some small correction. Here write not correction, addition. Denote this also by delta x. denote also this by dx delta x are same, dy delta y are same. Now we have already calculated dz. Now we are calculating delta z. For this, first we have to calculate value of f at 2.05, 2.96. So one more correction here. Right here f of, not correction, addition, denote z by f of xy. Now we put in this function f x is equal to 2.05 and y is equal to 2.96. Value of f I have already calculated, so I will write it down, 13.6449. Then f of 2, 3. Again put in this function x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. We will get this. I have already calculated f of 2, 3 is 13. This value is 0.6449. Now you can observe here both these values are approximately equal. Clearly dz is approximately equal to delta z. We have, though both these values are same. This is what we are asked here. Compare the values of delta z and dz. First we have calculated both, and we found out that both the values are approximately equal. This completes this example.